When you're under stress, your body changes instantly. Inside your brain, billions of neurons fire faster. Signals meant to protect you become constant noise. Cortisol, the stress hormone, floods your bloodstream. It raises your heart rate and tightens your vessels, pushing your system into high alert. Your immune cells slow down and your gut loses balance as the body diverts energy to survival. The triggers are everywhere: deadlines, screens, constant noise. But the same brain that breaks down under stress also knows how to heal. When you breathe deeply, the storm begins to calm. Cortisol fades, neurons find rhythm again, your heart slows, your mind clears. Movement, sunlight, nature, and rest rebuild your balance from the inside out. Every calm breath tells your body, you are safe. Your healing starts with a single moment of peace. For more video subscribe Health Within Second.